indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, tires, front performance. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.